Hi guys, and welcome to another Elementor video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in this video today we're going to show you how to add your first page and set it as the home page if you're using Elementor Pro or the free version. Really easy to do. So let's get started. Presuming you've got a site and you've added Elementor to it, let's create a new page, and this is the page that we'll use as our home page. So I'm going up to new, I'm going to hit page. We'll give it a title, whatever you want to call yours. Obviously, I'm going to use over here in the template section. If you can't see this, it may be closed up. Just hit template over there, hit the little chevron. Make sure you're on the page tab up here. I'm going to use Elementor full width. Elementor canvas is fine, but that will actually take away the header and the footer, which is great for some situations, but not what I want today. So I'm going to use Elementor full width. Or you can use a default theme one. I'm actually using the Hello theme, which is a free theme from Elementor today. But like I say, I'm going to roll with Elementor full width. That'll give us a full width page with no sidebar. And I'm going to hit the Edit with Elementor button. And here we are. And when you first get in there, all these ones on the left here, this top section, the ones you get with the free version. If we roll down a bit, we've got all the ones you get with the pro version. And here's some more general ones at the bottom that you get with both versions again. But to save time today, I'm not going to build a page. I've already got one built. I'm just going to add it from my library. So to do that, I'm going to go to this little file icon here. Left click to add a template. You can connect to the Elementor and have all these templates, and there's plenty of them if you want to use them. Most of them are with the Pro, but there's plenty of free ones. If you see one that doesn't have the Pro sign on it, then it's a free one. For instance, that one there, that one there, and that one there. Well, I've actually got my own that I built here, so I'm going to go to my templates here. And I'm going to hit my home one here. I'm just going to hit the insert. If you're not sure about applying the settings of the page, hit don't apply, because it can overwrite some styles you've got. But if it's your first page, it's really not going to make much difference. I'm going to go ahead and hit don't apply, and it's going to load that page for me. There we go. And it's our initial page that we had at the beginning. Great, so presuming that's all we wanted to do to this page, and we're happy with this being our front page here, let's go ahead and hit the publish button. And you can have a look by either going there or hitting the little eyeball button. And there it is. Just check it out. Make sure it's what you want. That's fine. Now, presuming that you're happy with your page, you'd want to set it as the home page or the front page, the page that people land on when they visit your site. To do that, let's go back to our dashboard. Going to go down to appearance and then customize. That's going to bring us to this page here. At the moment, you're not going to see a whole lot of difference because this is the same one as I've got set as my home page. So to set as your home page, again, I'm using the free Elementor Hello theme. Most of them will have it right here in a customizer. There it is, home page settings. Go down, choose the page that we want. Mine was my new home page. There it is, and it has to be published. It can't be saved as a draft. It needs to be published. We'll set that as a new one, which funnily enough is exactly the same as the old one. There it is. Simply hit the publish, and if we go back to dashboard and visit site, you'll see that that's our home page now. And there it is. I've got a little pop-up on there. Let's just get rid of that. So there it is, guys. Really simple to set your home page in most WordPress themes. Like I say, I'm just using the free Hello for mine today, and you can get it from the link below if you need a great fast theme for your Elementor. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.